Stop scrolling. Because if you are still struggling to speak English fluently in 2026, the problem is not your grammar, not your intelligence, and not your accent. The real problem is that you are learning English the old way. In this video, I will share 5 powerful and practical tips that modern English speakers are using right now to speak fluent, confident English, without fear, without hesitation, and without memorizing boring rules. If you follow these tips seriously, I promise you, your English will not improve, it will transform. So watch till the end. Let's begin. Tip 1. Stop learning English, start using English. This is the biggest mistake learners make. They keep learning English, but they never use English. You watch videos. You read rules. You save vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? Because language is a skill, not a subject. You don't learn swimming by reading a book. You don't learn cycling by watching YouTube. You learn by doing. What to do in 2026? Start daily English usage, even if your English is broken. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions. Think aloud in English. Example: I am opening my phone. I am feeling tired today. I need to focus on my work. Fluency comes from frequency, not perfection. Make this rule: no day without speaking English. Tip 2. Think in English, kill translation habit. If you translate from your mother tongue to English in your head, you will never speak fluently. Translation causes delay, confusion, fear, grammar mistakes. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. How to build thinking in English. Start with simple thoughts. Instead of, Isko English mein Kaisbolenge. Train your brain to think. What is happening? What do I want? What am I feeling? Daily practice: 5 minutes morning thinking in English. 5 minutes night reflection in English. No grammar checking. No correction. Your brain learns English the same way a child learns. Naturally. Tip 3. Master daily use sentences, not advanced grammar. Let me be honest. You don't need perfect grammar to speak fluent English. You need ready-made daily sentences. Fluent speakers use simple tense, common sentence patterns, repeated structures. Example: let me check. I'll get back to you. That makes sense. I'm not sure about that. In 2026, smart learners focus on have a checkmark high-frequency sentences. Have a checkmark real conversation English. Have a checkmark practical expressions. Powerful practice. Take one situation per day: office, market, phone call, interview, daily routine, Create 10 sentences and repeat them loudly. Repetition creates automatic speaking. Tip 4. Shadowing, the fastest fluency hack. If you want to improve pronunciation, fluency, confidence, speed, then shadowing is non-negotiable. What is shadowing? You listen to a native or fluent speaker and repeat immediately, like an echo. No pause. No thinking. Just repeat. How to do it correctly. Choose short English audio, 30 to 60 seconds. Listen once. Play again and repeat with the speaker. Copy tone, speed, and emotion. Do this 15 minutes daily. This trains your mouth, your ears, your confidence. Fluency lives in your muscle memory, not in books. Tip 5. Remove fear, speak bad English confidently. Let me tell you a truth nobody says. Fluent speakers were once bad speakers. The only difference: they were not scared of mistakes. Fear blocks vocabulary, confidence, flow. Mistakes build fluency, speed. Real English. In 2026, confidence matters more than correctness. New mindset. My English is bad. My English is improving. Speak even if grammar is wrong. Sentence is simple. Accent is Indian. People respect confidence, not perfection. Rocket powerful conclusion, motivational close. Remember this: English fluency is not about talent. It's about daily action. If you use English daily, think in English, practice sentence, do shadowing, speak without fear, then no power on earth can stop you from speaking fluent English in 2026. Start today. Start now. Because 1 year from today, you'll either say, I wish I had started, or you'll say, I'm proud I didn't quit. Your choice.